Today we are selling this guys on hit target. So the question remains, what are we going to do today? That is the main question. Let's get rid of all of these drawings, guys. Oh yeah, you can live in Disco. You can download it for you guys. Go and enjoy and test it out, guys. Of course, I would love your feedback on that as well. The link is available in the description. Let's go to the chat, guys. In the daily chat, guys, we are at a resistance. It should become support area. So we have this machine move up. And the one next guys we are bullish as well, but our support is quite far away, so I will drop into the 15-minute chart, guys. Here you go. I still can't find that support guy. It's one of one edge. I don't know, guys. I'm selling the euro. I'm selling gold as well. Selling gold as well. So I don't know. I want to sell this, baby. I'm going to sell the trade as well, guys. So today, guys, as long as the price rate below 1.35498, guys, we are bearish. I don't know, kind of. So be careful, guys. Guys, there are days when the market is crystal clear. There are days when the markets are very confusing. So you want to read the days and you want to put them. Guys, if the price breaks above 1.35498, guys, we will be going for 1.36. So wishing guys the best of luck. If you guys need some trading this pair, and see you guys tomorrow.